Did you know that horses can sleep both standing up and lying down? Yes, you heard it right. These majestic creatures have some fantastic secrets up their hooves, and today we're going to trot through some of the most fascinating facts about horses. Picture a horse in your mind. It's probably a tall, strong animal, right? Well, that's because horses are indeed one of the largest animals. Some can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 2,000 pounds. That's about the same weight as a small car. And speaking of size, have you ever noticed a horse's eyes? They're huge. In fact, horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal. These big eyes are not just for show. They help horses see almost 360 degrees around them. That's almost a complete circle. Now, let's touch upon their incredible speed. The fastest speed ever recorded by a horse was 55 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's faster than a greyhound dog can run and about as fast as a car on the highway. But horses aren't just about size and speed. They're also incredibly intelligent and emotional creatures. Did you know that horses have excellent memories and can remember their human friends even after many years apart? They can also sense human emotions and often mirror the feelings of their human handlers. And here's a fun fact. Horses have a sense of humor. Yes, you heard it right. Horses often play with each other, and some even like to play pranks on their human friends. Now, on to their diets. Horses are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants, but they need to eat a lot of them. A horse can consume about 15 to 20 pounds of food a day. That's roughly the same weight as 4 bowling balls. And lastly, let's not forget about their incredible sense of hearing. Horses have ears that can rotate nearly 180 degrees, allowing them to hear sounds from all directions. In summary, horses are fascinating creatures. From sleeping while standing to having the largest eyes among land mammals, sensing human emotions, and consuming a large amount of food daily, they truly are full of surprises. Their speed, intelligence, and playful nature also make them one of the most loved animals worldwide. So next time you see a horse, remember these amazing facts and appreciate the wonderful creature standing before you. Because horses aren't just beautiful, they are also incredibly interesting and full of surprises.